The sorry something went wrong error on Instagram threads is one of the most common and frustrating issues users encounter. This generic error message appears when the app cannot complete your requested action. This error is intentionally vague. It's a catch-all message that can stem from multiple different root causes. Understanding these causes is the first step toward fixing the problem. There are 4 main categories that can trigger this error message. Let's examine each one to help you identify what might be causing your specific issue. First, server-side issues occur when Meta's infrastructure experiences problems. This includes back-end overload during high traffic periods, API failures that prevent data retrieval, and database connectivity problems. Second, client-side problems originate from your device or app installation. These include app corruption from incomplete updates, cache conflicts from stored temporary data, and authentication token expiration. Third, network-related issues stem from connectivity problems. Poor internet connection, DNS resolution failures that prevent reaching Meta's servers, and conflicts with VPN or proxy services can all trigger this error. Finally, account-specific problems relate to your individual account status. This includes suspended or restricted accounts, rate limiting from excessive activity, and content policy violations that restrict functionality. The good news is that Meta has made significant improvements to Threads infrastructure since its launch in July 2023. Error reports have decreased by approximately 60% since the fourth quarter of 2024. And the latest app versions include enhanced error reporting and automatic retry mechanisms. Understanding when errors are most likely to occur can help you anticipate and avoid them. Peak error times typically coincide with major news events or viral content surges that create traffic spikes. Regional variations also exist, with developing markets sometimes experiencing higher error rates due to connectivity infrastructure limitations. By understanding these potential causes and patterns, you can better target your troubleshooting efforts. The sorry something went wrong error may be generic, but knowing whether it's likely server-side, client-side, network-related, or account-specific helps you choose the most effective solution approach. When Instagram Threads shows the sorry something went wrong error, there are systematic troubleshooting steps that can resolve the issue. Let's start with the quickest and most effective solutions. First, force close the Threads app completely. On iPhone, double-tap the Home button and swipe up on Threads. On Android, use the Recent Apps button and swipe the app away. Wait 30 seconds before reopening to allow the system to clear temporary data. Next, verify your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the connection method is causing the issue. Test other apps to confirm your internet is working properly. Ensure your Threads app is updated to the latest version. Check the App Store on iPhone or Google Play on Android for available updates. Outdated versions often have known bugs that newer versions have fixed. If these quick fixes don't resolve the issue, we move to intermediate solutions that address deeper system conflicts. Clear the app's cache and data to remove corrupted temporary files. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, find Threads, and select Storage to clear cache and data. On iPhone, offload the app and reinstall it from Settings. For iPhone users, the process involves going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, finding Threads, and selecting Offload App. This preserves your data while clearing corrupted files. A complete device restart helps reset network stacks and clear memory conflicts. This is particularly effective for persistent authentication errors and connection issues. For more persistent issues that resist basic troubleshooting, advanced solutions target network and authentication problems. Advanced network troubleshooting includes disabling VPN or proxy services that might interfere with Threads connection, changing DNS servers to Google's 8.8.8.8 or Cloudflare's 1.11.1, and resetting network settings completely. If problems persist, completely uninstall Threads, restart your device, then perform a fresh installation from the official App Store. This eliminates any corrupted installation files. For authentication-related errors, log out of both Threads and Instagram, clear your browser cache for Instagram Web, then log back into Instagram first, followed by Threads. This refreshes your authentication tokens. These troubleshooting methods are highly effective. According to recent data, 94% of Threads errors are resolved through basic troubleshooting, with success rates reaching 95% when following the complete methodology. Meta continues to improve Threads reliability with AI-powered error resolution and proactive notifications about scheduled maintenance. These systematic troubleshooting steps, combined with Meta's infrastructure improvements, ensure most users can quickly resolve any issues they encounter.